Hello, I am John Larson, and I am here to demonstrate some simple effects that you can do on your computer. We have plenty of effects that are downloadable off the internet, and you can that come with this software. Now, this software is called Miniham, and what the software can do is it can put effects on a webcam, make more than one webcam at a time out of one webcam. It can put on very cool effects on your computer. And you just click a button and you have your computer set up, a custom part of your computer. It's really cool. Then you select your camera you want from here, and you can download stuff. This is the top of Firefox I downloaded. There's backgrounds. You can get. Oh, wait a second. You have to take a snapshot of the background and it'll do in it first. The background should be good. You have to make sure your face and your body are completely different colors from the background. Yes, so as you can see here, just press take snapshot, and with this window right here, you press take snapshot and then press accept, and to take a new one, and then you wait for 3 seconds, take a new one. Then you just click on your camera source again, and you have it back. I'll take a new snapshot. In the background, I'm not a very different color from the background, so this isn't working very well. But as you can see, you download multiple backgrounds, such as this is Bart Simpson, and you can get moving backgrounds too. Here's one called Clouds, Water, Ask Sage, the Fireplace, Rainbow Fire. Download many more off the internet. Yes, and there's also effects like this. Dun, dun, dun. Then we have other effects. This is one called Fire. Hola. Hola. And then you can make it look like it's snowing in your house. This one's very cool. Yeah, you can even shake the snow off. It's really cool. Then we have water. Make it look like you're underwater. These are very cool effects. Just live your life forever. Then there's this one. This one. This one. This one. You can download many more from the website, which you can just, wait, I'll show you. Right here, you can click here and go to your the website right here. Yes. So I'll do this. So then this is me looking at the website. These are things you can download for it. Just one example. So if it's boring, I just press download now. Click OK. And right there's done. Scanning for viruses right now. There is no viruses. Yes. Okay, so I'm experiencing some technical difficulties right now. So this is getting kind of, okay, wait, okay, this should have, okay, so hello, this is very bad, but I will get it back very soon. Oh, here we go. Here I am again. Okay, so you can also use all those effects. I had a little error because this computer is weird. It's been acting weird. I couldn't download things from the internet. It wasn't because of this. It was way before this. I don't know. So that's what happened. And you can even put on face accessories like this. Then there's all those different ones. You can put on eyes. Sometimes it doesn't work very good. You can use this. I like this one. Wait, you gotta make it so it recognizes your face. Oh yeah, it's bleeding out my eyes. Blurring out my eyes. Pink glasses. Very well. You can make different faces. That's cool. There's this one I downloaded. Old man. Yeah. Lots more. I like this. You can put on hair. Look. So, yeah. And these are hats you can download. Here's one. Then there's this Mario hat. You can also get 3D masks. There's this one called Radiohead, and wherever your head moves, the robot's head moves. You have to make it so it recognizes your face. Okay then, okay, that wasn't working very good. What's this one? Yeah, there's that one.